5 warning signs in a product that might not be right to start on Amazon. First, legal problems like using trademarks or patent without permission can get you in a trouble or even make Amazon deactivate your account. Second, if there are a lot of similar products already that you are launching on Amazon, it's really hard for your product to get noticed or sell really well on Amazon. Third, if you're getting negative reviews from your customers, that shows that your product is not up to the mark. Fourth, if making the product is hard or you are having problems with the suppliers, it might not be a good quality or a right product to launch on Amazon. Lastly, if the cost for making the product keeps changing, it can be a mess up because you won't know how much money you are making. Finding these warning signs early can help you save time, money, and trouble. Sometimes it's smarter to change plans instead of pushing a product with a lot of problems. If you want to learn more tips and tricks about Amazon Private Label,